Welcome to CSS3 course. In this part 1, we are going to learn about some basic concepts of CSS. As you should know, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, used to convert simple HTML structure into presentational layout, written in form of selectors and declaration block, like selector, curly braces, declaration block. Now you will write the same HTML structure, just you need to put an additional style tag inside head tag. And inside style tag, you will write your whole CSS code. Now if you want to change the body background color of your web page, so you will simply write body, curly brackets, and inside curly brackets, you will write background color orange like this. Here body is your selector, background color orange is declaration, background color is the property, and orange is value. So these are some main concepts of CSS that you will have to remember as for theoretical aspect. Now we are going to perform some basic CSS stuff. So let's start. So inside head tag, you will have to use a style tag for writing CSS code like this, and inside head tag, you will write your CSS tag. Now as you can see, the body background color of this web page is white by default. So now if you want to change the body background color, so you will have to write a CSS code inside a style tag, like body with color brackets, and inside curly brackets you will have to write a declaration like, now I want to change a background color, so I will write here the background color property with the background color, like here I am using the tomato color as a value. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Now as you can see, the body background color of web page has been changed. Now let's add some elements. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can see here, the H1 heading and a paragraph. So now if you want to change the color of H1 heading and paragraph to white, so you will have to write a CSS code for that specific element. Like for H1, I want to change the text color to white, so I will write here the color property and we'll make it white like this. Same applied to paragraph element. Save the file, refresh the browser. Now you can see the change in color as white. Now if you want to change the position of H1 and paragraph heading to center, so you will write the text align property like this and use the center value. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can clearly see the change in position as we wanted. Now let's change the font family. For using the font family, we have to use the font family property like this, and we'll use here this sans serif. Save the file, refresh the browser. Now you can see the change in font family as well. Now if you want to increase the size of H1 heading, so you will use the font size property, and I'm giving here the 50 pixel size. Now here you can use some different type of units and sizes, like here I'm using px, you can use em, percentage, and so on. So let's use the px pixels. Pixels. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can see, the increase in font size of H1 heading and paragraph as well. So that's the part 1. I hope you like it.